Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Economies of scale can be tricky, but we can solve this fast. Let's look at how output changes affect long-run costs right now. First, we must define economies of scale as a situation where increasing production actually lowers the cost per unit. This happens when a firm expands its operations over the long run. Next, remember that as output rises, specialized labor and better machinery help spread out expenses. This efficiency means the long-run average total cost starts to drop significantly as you grow. Total costs increase, but average cost per item falls. This makes option B the only logical choice for our final answer. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid the rush, watch signs, trust facts, and check your steps carefully.